This video will help you solve two-step inequalities algebraically, which means with inclusive. So solve each inequality algebraically, graph the solution on a number line, check your solution. So our first example, 3x plus 2 is greater than or equal to negative 10. Remember, you're doing the reverse of the order of operations. So on the same side as x are the numbers 3 and 2. I would first undo the adding 2 by subtracting 2 from each side. On the left side, I have 3x. On the right side, negative 10 minus 2 is negative 12. So 3x is greater than or equal to negative 12. Now my second inverse, divide both sides by 3. Keep my inequality symbol the same because I divided by a positive. I get x is greater than or equal to negative 4. That goes on my graph. Closed at negative 4, shading towards the right this time. And then for my check, I'm going to pick any number above negative 4. So I'm going to look at what happens if x is 0. Go back to my original, and be 3 times 0 plus 2 is hopefully greater than or equal to negative 10. 3 times 0 is 0. 0 plus 2 is 2. That is greater than or equal to negative 10, so it checks out okay. Looking at our next example, 2 is less than negative 3y plus negative 7. I would undo the adding negative 7 by subtracting negative 7 from each side. On the left side, 2 minus negative 7 becomes 9, is less than negative 3y. Now my second inverse would be to divide by negative 3. 9 divided by negative 3 is negative 3. Because I divided by a negative, I have to reverse my inequality sign. And on the right side, the negative 3's cancel and I get y. Rewriting it with the y first, that says y is less than negative 3. So on my number line, I put negative 3 in the middle. Open at negative 3, shade towards the left. Pick some number below negative 3, so maybe it's negative 10. So y equals negative 10. Go back to the original, I get 2 is less than negative 3 times negative 10 plus negative 7. When I simplify, we multiply negative 3 times negative 10 becomes 30. And now 30 plus negative 7 becomes positive 23. That is a true sentence, so it checks out okay. Looking at our next example, w minus 6 all divided by negative 2 is less than 7. Because an entire side is being divided by negative 2, my first inverse would be to multiply by negative 2. On the left side, I have w minus 6. Because I multiplied by a negative, I have to reverse my inequality sign. And 7 times negative 2 is negative 14. Now my second inverse would be to add 6. And that gives me w is greater than negative 8. So I put negative 8 in the middle. Open at negative 8, shade towards the right. For my check, I'm going to look and see what happens if w equals 0. I have 0 minus 6 divided by negative 2 is hopefully less than 7. When I simplify the left side, 0 minus 6 is negative 6. And negative 6 divided by negative 2 is positive 3. And 3 is less than 7. Hope this video helps. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.